Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video is just about my toddler. It's about Utumba. She's 20 months. Here she's in our temporary accommodation at the kitchen. She actually pulled the chair herself, and she's on top there playing with a sausage roll. It's what she's playing with. She's like eating, giving some few bites, on the other side staring and all those. What I did, I just asked her to bring that sausage roll to me, and she really did it. She tried to bring it while she was still standing, but I asked her to go down first. So she can bring it to me. Just watch out and see how she's doing. On the other part of this video, it's the 1st of December, and it's Thursday. Thursday is always her day. She's going out to go and play, chat and play, to go and play with other kids, just for her to start knowing that she has to play with other kids. There's nothing much in this video. There she is, because I asked her to bring it to me, and she just tried to go down that way. Then I stopped her. I asked her to put the plate down so that she can come down by herself, because she can't come straight down while she's there. Look what she's trying now. She's saying, I have to come and get it. Oh, she dropped the spoon down. Now she have to put the plate down and go down and pick the spoon up. Once she pick the spoon up, I'll ask her to bring the spoon to me. Just watch out and see how my toddler she's doing. I think she's doing great. She's the best. She communicates, even though the words are not yet out. You can't hear what she's saying. But my toddler, she's the best. I asked her to bring that spoon to me. There she is. I sent her back to go and get the plate with the sausage roll. Let's see what she's going to do. But anyway, she will go with that side. Let's just see how she's going to figure it out, how to put the plate down with the sausage roll down and bring it to Mama. I'm just testing her to see whether she will do it or not. Oh my God, there she is. Let's see what she's going to do. Is she going to drop it down, or will she bring it to Mama? Thank you. This one is nani? Yummy. Napo ondangi. Eh? Thank you. Maria, Rumat. Ramusha. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is the 1st of December. Hello Tumba. Say hello to YouTuber. Say hello. Hello to the camera. Ngira what it Say hello. Hi. Hi. Say hi. That's a British greeting. Eh? Today is the 1st of December. Don't mind my toddler say I'm just going to fix it now. I just want to show you the outfit. Tegama Utumba. Tegama. Up. Yes. As we are approaching big days. The birthday of the Lord, of the King, Jesus Christ. Hey? Utumba? Hello. Blow the kiss to the YouTuber. Blow a kiss to the YouTuber. Thank you. Good girl. Mwah. Utumba. Hello. Are you happy? Good morning, baby Utumba. Utumba Dara. What's your name? Hey. E. Mwashe kotoka. Kotoka E. Maisha ta. Joko mama. Njo tora, wanja njo tora ngode we, utumba. Wanja mashe. E. Utumba. Tada. Tada. How naughty you are. What do you mean? What do you want me to do? Eh? Eh? Adiane. Hello, Tumba. Nada kwadi, akombi unduri. Dapo, sorry. Sorry. Dapo Utumba rika taxi mai. Hey. Mashwabe, dapo. Sorry. Well, we are waiting for a taxi. Maybe. Eh? Yeah. What do you want? Go. Oh, to kaya. Go. Someone want to go. Huh? Dumba. You want to go? Go. 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 You want to go? Up. Macho wa shiti. Macho wa shiti. O shiti. Macho kono yata komando ngodo shiti. Shi. Tora. Ora bo biari. Ini baru bener itu. Hida bisa bukan. Hida kayak hida. Hida kayak hida. Up. Yes, good girl. Great job. Thank you, clever girl. Mau geronda bang? Mau geronda? Hah?